This is Jonathan Geach. I'm unboxing the Sony Nex-7. So there's a box within a box by the look of things. Oh, or I guess this is the accessory case. And here is a nice cover covering the Nex-7's body. It has a nice little cover. There's the sensor. It's just a little bit bigger than the Nex-5. I can't compare it to the Nex-5 right now because the Nex-5 is filming this. It does feel a lot more sturdy in your hand. Also comes with a Nex-7 strap and a USB cord and a charger. Looks like he uses the same battery as my Nex-5. And so that's about it for the unboxing video.